To use Zoom to record an instructor video with no slides or screen sharing, get started by going to our Zoom platform and getting logged in. And then you're just going to host a meeting and record it to the cloud. So you can just simply go to host a meeting with video on, wait for Zoom to boot up and get going. Make sure that you join with your computer audio. And you're now ready to record, and you can set the Zoom background just like for any other Zoom. And then you're simply going to click on record. You want to record to the cloud so you can easily get a link to this recording. And then you're going to start your welcome video, something like, "Welcome to ECI 201. So excited to have you in this class, blah, 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 blah." Once you've got your recording finished, you will click stop recording, stop that cloud recording, and end this particular meeting. Then you'll need to find the recording. You will get an email when the cloud recording is available and a link that you can share the recording with viewers. In this case, the default settings are set up so they're only accessible to NCSU folks, and there's a password set up. So I would both need to copy this link from the email and include this password so that students will be able to type it in. I can also go to the Zoom homepage and then find my recordings from this recordings tab. Once I'm here, I'll see the different recordings that I have. And by clicking here, I can also access different settings through the share button. Then I could change it to either public or authenticated users viewing. I can decide whether I want passcode protection or not. And then I can copy the sharing information or take a look at it to see what I need to share with students.